Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Baba's Halal Kitchen. I'm Hussein Baba. Today, I'm not cooking in Australia nor in Gold Coast. Today, I'm cooking in Cairo, Egypt. Yes, I'm in Cairo. And today, I'm at my relative's house. And then my niece, well, when I say my niece, my first cousin's daughter, she will be showing me how to cook a very simple soup but very healthy and good for winter, because now it is winter in Cairo, so it's a good. I'll introduce you shortly. I'll be back after this short message. Welcome back. As I mentioned to you, I'm in Cairo, and my niece Sarah will be showing us a special dish. I'm not sure what they call it, but she's going to show me how it's going to be cooked. Okay, cameraman, can you come to the side and show? This is Sarah. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
This is my niece. This is my first cousin in Egypt's daughter. All right, and she's pretty and. Well, she's already married, so don't think about it. Okay, all right. Now, Sarah, what are you going to cook today?
Today we are going to cook an oriental dish
Yes.
here in Egypt.
Yes.
It's called MOLOKHEya or MOLOKHEya.
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 MOLOKHEya, okay. I hope I got the pronunciation right. Okay.
MOLOKHEya.
So, how do you normally eat MOLOKHEya?
We usually eat it with rice.
Right.
Yes.
So, you have rice and then you have MOLOKHEya and then you mix it and eat together.
Mix it, yes.
Okay. All right. Then, inshallah, shall we start?
Yes.
Can you explain? Cameraman, can you come closer? Come closer. And Sarah, please introduce the ingredients to us. What's this one?
First of all, we have a chicken soup or meat soup.
Okay. That means you boil the chicken?
Yes.
And so it's like a chicken stock.
Yes.
More or less a chicken stock.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And what is this here?
Butter or ghee.
Butter or ghee. All right.
Minced garlic.
Minced garlic. Okay.
Coriander.
Coriander. Okay. Coriander powder. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, this is the special one.
And this is the MOLOKHEya.
MOLOKHEya. Later on, you explained to me, normally you have MOLOKHEya in a leaf, fresh
Yes,
leaf, and then
fresh
you
leaf.
grind it.
Yes.
But this time, due to time factor, so she have got a frozen one. So it is, you can see close up, have a close up, it's called MOLOKHEya, okay? And that's how the leaves look like. Alright, that's how the leaves look like. Okay, now here we have, cameraman, can you come and have a look? That's how MOLOKHEya look like. Let me see. You have a strong smell.
Yes.
Very strong. Mashallah. Okay, so those are the ingredients. Then we have salt and pepper. And of course, there must be some reason to have a small pan like this. Okay, so okay. Now you know the ingredients. So Sarah, please show me how to prepare this dish. Okay? All right. Shall we move to the stove? Inshallah. Okay. Come back to you shortly. All right. Now we're going to start cook. Before we cook, what do we say? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Alright. Fire burning. Okay, Sarah, what do I do now? Stir it?
First of all, we put the MOLOKHEya on the soup.
So this is already boiled now, right?
Yes.
Boiled.
It's already...
Do you want it to be very hot or just...
No.
Okay.
In the moment of starting to boil, we will put what we are going to make in the pan on.
Okay. So I just put this one first,
Yes.
okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. All of them?
Yes.
All of them. Okay. Very smooth.
Yes.
Just keep on stirring.
Yes.
Okay. How long do I stir?
No, we can leave it now.
Leave it now,
and
okay?
Start doing
This one already on. The stove is on. Good. What a cute little pan. Okay. All right. I hope I can get this in Australia. All right. Now, Sarah, what do I do here? So, ghee. I know what to go. Must be ghee.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. How
First
much
we'll
ghee?
Put, maybe one or.
Okay.
That's okay.
That's okay. All right.
One and a half
Okay.
spoon.
Okay. 1.5 spoon. You can put either butter or ghee. All right. That's what it is. All right. I think ghee will taste much better. All right. So what we do, we just try to melt it, right?
Yes, melt it.
Okay. I think I better use the wooden. Yeah. Can I use it? It's okay.
Yes.
No problem. Yeah.
This is called MOLOKHEya.
MOLOKHEya. Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's still. So you want it to melt completely.
Yes, we can start putting the garlic.
Garlic also. Okay, I put that. So how much garlic you want? All of them or some?
Yes, all of them.
All of them. Okay. I think looks like 2 tablespoons.
Yes.
2 tablespoons. And then keep on stirring, right?
Yes.
Okay. Cameraman, can you smell the aroma? Yeah, you can smell. Oh yes, that's right. That's right. You can. And what next?
Next, we must stir it first a little bit.
Okay.
Until the color changes a little
Color
bit.
changes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. See, now there are 2 cooks, but not spoiling it. 2 cooks here. Okay. So Sarah, how many children you have?
2.
2. Both of them.
girls.
2 girls. But
Yeah.
they must be keep you busy, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, I see. I see. So what do you cook for them normally? What type of food?
They love ملوخية.
They like
They
MOLOKHEYA.
love محشي.
Mashi?
With the stuffed vegetables with rice.
But I'm sure they like pizza and spaghetti. Right? Yes, yes, I know that. All the kids love it. Alright, just keep on stirring. Now, who's this young girl? Who's this? Who's this? What's your name? Oh.
What's your name?
Oh. You see what happened is
She wants to sleep.
it's 9 o'clock in the evening. So the children are getting sleepy. So the mood. Alright. Okay.
What's your name? Tell the camera. What's
No,
your
no, no,
name?
there, look at there.
What's your name?
One, okay.
Yora.
You're
How
and how old are you?
I'm 1.
All right. Okay, we got
4 years old.
this is the youngest daughter of Sarah. The elder one is a mashallah, is a swimming champion here.
Come.
Now Yada, where is Yada?
Nada.
Nada. Okay, here. This is Nada. Nada is what's your name?
Nada.
How old are you?
8 years.
8 years old. And Nada is a swimming champion. Mashallah. Congratulations. Okay.
They
But
will taste our food
now,
after we finish.
now you go and take a seat and you'll taste the food shortly. Okay, bye bye. Okay. Now
We can start putting.
put what?
The
Coriander powder?
Coriander, yes.
Okay. Cameraman, please come closer. All of them?
All of them.
Again 2 tablespoons, eh? Okay. Alright. Done. So keep on stirring, eh?
Yes.
Okay. So Yara, your husband loves the food? Her husband's name is Khalid. And okay.
In the moment
Yeah.
this ملوخية starts to boil,
Yes.
we must start
Try
putting yes
So transfer all at once or one?
all at once. Yes.
Okay, alright. So what I do, I just stir here and you can transfer
Okay.
the mixture here, okay? Okay.
Alright.
All these girls want to cook. They want to show off the cooking skill. I can't help it. So they taken my job now. Now, what are you doing, young girl? Young, see? Oh, she's stirring. Alright.
I make ملوخية.
MOLOKHEYA. And what are you doing then? MOLOKHEYA, okay. So,
This part is called tasha.
Tasha. That is Tasha and the MOLOKHEYA. And then they have to combine together. And they really want to show off what they can do. So that's what they're doing now. So how's the stirring? Good? Now tell them, how old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
4 years old. Okay, alright. So what's your favorite food?
Okay. No, mash.
Mashi. Okay, next time you cook mashi for uncle? Okay. And what about you? What's your
I
favorite
love
food?
ملوخية.
MOLOKHEYA. Okay. All love MOLOKHEYA. I don't know what's happening here.
I love mash and ملوخية.
Oh, okay. Okay, good.
The best one is ملوخية.
Okay, now we have been stirring at the MOLOKHEYA. Now, Mr. Cameraman, can you come closer? Have a look. I know, sorry, there's not enough light here, but okay. Now, Sarah, what do we do next?
We shall put this.
Okay, that's okay. Okay.
This is called tasha.
Ah,
This
Tasha.
layer.
This is and I keep on stirring?
Yes.
Did you hear the sizzling sound? All right. Okay. La. Smells good. Smells good. Okay.
We can add salt, pepper. if
Salt,
you
okay.
need it.
All right. So how much salt shall I put?
Little bit because I think the stock already had salt.
Okay, that's enough. And then a bit of
Pepper, black pepper.
okay, that's enough. Okay, and then keep on stirring, right? Look at this soup. It's easy to make. As I tell you, my cooking is NED, nutritious, easy, and delicious, right? Okay. Now, Sarah, how long does it?
Oh,
That's it? All done?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. All done. Off it. All done. Done. Okay. So we'll go and gonna taste. Now, who's gonna taste? Those two young girls. They're gonna taste. They're ready, waiting on the table, and they're gonna taste the soup. Of course, I'll also have to taste it. All right. See you shortly. All right. Now the MOLOKHEYA has been done, it's completed, and we're going to try it. Now, Sarah, shall we try?
Yes, please go on.
Yeah,
Yes,
go on, try it.
please.
Okay, I'll try it. All right, we'll go and try it. Okay. Now, girls, they're going to be my tasters. Okay. Are you going to taste? You're going to tell the truth, huh? Both of you going to tell the truth. Okay. Let's try. What do you say before we drink?
Bismillah.
Here, Bismillah. Okay, okay. I'm going to. It's better be careful. It's hot. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
The greatest chef arrives now.
Some.
What's
Um.
that?
Sarah,
It's
It's
very
something-
delicious.
what is it?
It's very delicious.
Very delicious. How is it?
Very delicious.
Very delicious. Sarah, this is the first time I'm trying MOLOKHEYA.
Really?
First time I'm
Hope
trying.
it won't be the last time.
No. I don't know whether we can get MOLOKHEYA in.
Yes, sure we can.
You can get. We try. We don't have any rice at the moment, so we're just trying this.
We can eat it with bread also.
Oh, with the bread.
Yes.
You just dip it with the bread.
Yes, bread
So we
or
can
rice.
have it with bread. We can have it with naan.
We can only.
Yes. Who's this man behind us?
The
He smelled the soup and he's coming down. Okay. Okay, that is Sarah's father. All right. Let me try. Let's be finished. It's really good. Really good? You really like it? Give a smile to the camera. Okay. And then you too. Give a smile to the camera. What's your favorite cooking show?
Baba's Halal Kitchen.
Really?
Yeah.
Repeat that again.
Baba's Halal Kitchen.
Okay. But what's your favorite?
Baba's Halal Kitchen.
Okay, even the kids like my show. So you better start watching it too. Continue. Alright, Sarah, thank you so much for making the dishes. Inshallah, we'll do more dishes next time. And then, okay, audience, there's more to come. There are more Egyptian food, more Moroccan food to come. So keep watching it. And inshallah, you'll enjoy these foods. It's really, really dynamic. Okay, I never tried them before, but I'm really enjoying all this food, inshallah. And there's one episode that I'll be making with Sarah's father, so so keep watching. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy cooking.